In this video, we will be reviewing the latest remote access and system sharing capabilities for HomeWorks systems using QSX processors. For this demonstration, we have a processor set up in France, the homeowner traveling to London, and the HomeWorks integrator in the United States. We begin inside the homeowner's app. Here, you can see the homeowner has a keypad labeled Hidden Scenes. In this demonstration, the homeowner will be asking the integrator to modify the buttons labeled Morning and Evening to All On and All Off. The homeowner has not previously worked with this integrator, so the first step is to share access with the new integrator. This is achieved by navigating to the settings menu using the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner, then selecting Help and Remote Assistance from Installer. Here, the homeowner can enter the integrator's email address. The app will verify that the email address entered belongs to someone registered on mylutron.com. If the email address entered is not correct, as in this case, or if the person is not registered with MyLutron, the system will pop up a notification informing the homeowner. Once an email address has been entered that is registered with MyLutron, a blue check mark will appear next to the name. The homeowner can then select the duration of time that they would like the integrator to have access to their system, and click the button to share access. At any point, the homeowner can see a complete list of who all has access to their system and can revoke that access. Moving to the integrator's app, we can see that they are logged in with their MyLutron account into Pro Installer mode. If you select HomeWorks and Athena, it brings up a list of all the systems that you have access to. Tapping on a system will bring you into the system, where you can make any of the changes you typically could from the app, such as modifying button programming or creating time clock events. Additionally, from the Pro Installer mode, you can share system access with others. This could be someone else at your company or someone at another company working on the job, such as a lighting designer or blinds installer. This feature makes it easier than ever for you to share work with colleagues and facilitates collaboration with other companies to deliver the best results to HomeWorks clients. Navigating back to the homeowner's app, we can see that the homeowner has immediate visibility to the new person granted access to their system. If they wish, they can revoke access, which will immediately prevent the individual from accessing their system. Moving back to the integrator's end, we move inside the HomeWorks software installed on your PC. Because this integrator has not previously worked on this system, they do not have a copy of the database. In order to begin making changes, you will need the database, which you can retrieve from the cloud. You begin by navigating to Tools, Cloud Sync, Restore from Cloud. Here, we see the exact same list of systems as was visible in the Lutron app, all linked through your MyLutron account. You can select the system, download the database, and open it up. This feature eliminates the fear of having to start a database from scratch because your hard drive crashed or you were pulled into an already installed system and the original installer is out of business. At this point, you now have a full copy of the database and can make whatever changes the homeowner is requesting. To keep this demonstration simple, we will just be changing some button engraving, but you have the full flexibility to make any changes you wish within the database. Once the changes are complete, you can navigate to the transfer screen to transfer those changes over to the system. The software will first attempt to locate the processor on the local network. Because in this case the integrator is in the US and the system is in France, that check obviously fails. Next, the software calls out to the cloud to see if a system is accessible over the internet. If the system is available over the internet, now the software can perform transfers to the system through the cloud. First, you get a prompt warning you that you are about to do a remote transfer. This prompt highlights the fact that it is important that the homeowner is aware that you will be transferring, because their system will be unresponsive for a short period while the transfer is happening. Clicking Yes to confirm that you have informed the homeowner will allow the transfer to proceed. The transfer consists of 4 steps. First, all of the project information is packaged into a database on your machine. Second, that database is sent up to the cloud. Third, the database is sent from the cloud to the processor. And finally, the processor confirms the integrity of the database and boots up into the new database and transfers the information out to the devices. If at any point in this process the communication breaks down or the process is interrupted, the processor will continue running with its current database. Only when the processor has received a full and complete new database and it has gone through an integrity check on that database will it load up that new database. This means that it is not possible to end up in a state without a working database. This powerful new feature has the potential to revolutionize the way you do business, from being able to rapidly service clients around the world to changing how you manage resources on a project. Now, your highly skilled Lutron programmer can be sitting in the office managing multiple projects in a day, rather than sitting on a bucket in an electrical closet. And your more junior installers can be on site verifying system operation. To close out this demonstration, we will take a look at the Homeowners app one last time, where we can see that your changes have taken effect and they can now access their newly programmed buttons.